All right, in this video we're going to talk about data being skewed or symmetrical. So in this first couple, we're just going to go very, very basic. If the mean is 16.67 and the median is 15, is this data skewed left, right, or symmetric? Well, when you think about it, here's 15, here's 16.7 on a number line. And this is the mean, this is the median. So it's all about where the mean lies in relation to the median. The mean, if the mean is on the right, then this data is skewed right. It's all about where is the mean. If the mean is to the right of the median or the mean is bigger, then it's skewed right. It is what it is, right? Letter 1B. If the mean is 11.26 and the median is 11, is this data skewed left, right, or symmetric? Well, again, think of a number line. Here's 11. This is the median. 11.26 is bigger than that, so it's on the right, so this would be skewed right. Just like the answer for 1A. Okay, so now let's think through some issues here. We're going to go with, here's kind of a number line, and it goes low to high is what we're talking about, and this is like the number of people that are involved. So, first things first. If we're looking at people who saw Neighbors 2 sorority rising, I think of this as, I haven't seen it, but it looks to be like it's a comedy. Looks like something that young people would be more interested in, not so much like older people. So I think the majority of the people, if we're talking about, young, if we talk about these are 10-year-olds and these are 80-year-olds, I think these people right here are more apt to watch it, less these people over here. And so therefore, because this is where the tail is, we would call this skewed right. Now, if we go the other one here, where we talk about Deepwater Horizon, okay, so I'm going to this is two separate problems here, but again, when we talk about, this is 10-year-olds, wrong color, this is 10-year-olds, and these are 80-year-olds, Deepwater Horizon, it's a big drama about drilling, world's oil spill. I feel like older people, maybe 40s, 50s, 60s, less 10-year-olds, going to be watching that. So if the tail is over here, then this would be skewed left. So you got to kind of think about like number line. Where would the majority of the people be? Where's the tail if you graph this? I'm a big visual aid person, so I like to kind of draw these out. In number 3, if most of the final grades in a class, okay, so this is the number of people who earn the final grades. Now, this goes low to high, so that means the A's are over here, B, C, D, F, because on a number line we go smallest to greatest. Most grades are an A and a B, so that means this is high over here. 2 students have zeros, those are F's. So it kind of filters down this way. Well, if it tails to the left, then it is skewed left, right? Now, it says, conversely, here, if most of the final grades are a D and F, D, F, C, B, A, most of them are F or a D, but 2 students have 100%, well, here's the tail, so that one is skewed right. So just think along the bottom, it goes low to high, and then think about, look, and this is the number. Most people have D's or F's, only a few have A's. Skewed to the right, because that's where the low part is. And that's kind of how you think about skewness.